Word tables task, which is in week 5. If we go down here, week 5 word tables. And this task, if you download it, asks you to copy each of these tables. So what this task is getting at is seeing if you can change colours of backgrounds, of cells, colours of lines, and centering fonts and so on for table formatting menus. So I'm just going to look now at these bottom 2 because they're the ones you've asked me about, because you said you've done the others. So for this one here, Invoice for September, I'm just going to move this out of the way and create a new blank Word document. So just bear with me again. Okay, so start off with, then you insert your table, and this is a 2 by 4. Okay, and then this top line here, to make it, if I just reduce so you can see, I need to put my writing along the top there. So here you can see I've merged this cell here, so that goes all the way along. So if I highlight that, right click, merge, okay, and then I need to put my text in, so invoice for September 2019, and you can see that's centered. So go back to my home menu and center it here. It's also purple, so I can go here and make it purple and bold. Then the query is how to put these horizontal lines in. So like you've filled cells before, it is a borders and shading menu. You can also access that in your design, and you can go into your shading menu here. I prefer a right click. So right click, borders and shading, and in here I'm going into the shading. So there's no colour, but what there is a pattern. If I go down here, I've got light horizontal or dark horizontal. It doesn't really matter which one you do, but you can see there's all sorts of patterns here. Light horizontal, and it's really important here now, I choose here, this menu here, make sure it says cell. What I don't want to do is make that happen on the whole table. I only want it to apply to the cell that I've right clicked in. So once it says cell, OK, and it puts the lines in. And then I can carry on and put my other text, and it's not going to affect everything. So I can put my text in here, £10 per hour. And then you can format each cell. So here we've got, this is centered, this top line here, and it's italics and it's bold, so I can highlight both of those in one go. Bold, italics, center. Put an extra line in there. Then I've got this, that's fine, and then here you can see that bit, this whole line here is bold, and this word here is over here. So I just need to click in there and right align that text, and that's that table.